Welcome back. A home menu. Home menu is one of the menus on the menu bar. Of course, it's the second one. The previous lesson we talked about file. Then we designed the template for quotation. We're looking at the home menu today, as I said, the previous after our template. So the home menu has sections. We can call them tabs. Font, alignment, number, styles, cells, and editing. We're looking at each one after the other. We start with the clipboard. The clipboard is used in editing. You can use it to cut text, to copy, to print a format from a pre-formatted text, or paste it there. That's a launch button where you can launch your clipboard. It's empty. That's why the clipboard is empty. If you copy or cut and correction, you should have it here. Close it. So let's have something. Copy it. So we have text. You can see our copy it. Paste will now become active. Point to where I want to paste it and you click on paste. Paste all the properties of this text. Then there is a pull down arrow for more or different paste options. We have formulas and number format, values and numbering format, as linked picture, as a link, as a picture. Or if we paste as a linked picture, if we give any format to this text, it will affect the pasted text too. Format this one, give it a bold. You can see that it has changed. Italicize it, text here will be affected, and change color to it. As the field, not the text. Yellow color has affected it. See, the previous one was not affected. So the next thing is the font. I was actually touching font and talking about the clipboard. So because the clipboard is just to copy text and keep it somewhere so that it can be taken to another location. Now on the font, we can change the look of the appearance. That is the handwriting, I can call it. I have different fonts there. We have size, bold, to make it bold, to italicize. We have underline. We have U for single underline and D for double underline. And there are shortcuts. If you hold Ctrl and press U to activate the underline. We have borders, bottom, top, left, right, no, and I like that too. The last one, you can actually change the line styles to borderline styles. So we have shading, that is the cell fill. Then text color. We can grow our text or decrease it. That is increase and increase the font size. As for the increase and for the decrease, so we can choose a value for each. That is it, like that. So, thank you for watching. In the next lesson, we'll talk about alignment, number, and styles. Bye.